It's about 2 o'clock on Wednesday, April 19th, and I got a late start. I'm still in Marana. I just got a little bite to eat over here at the McDonald's, and I got gas, and I'm about to head out on the road and start this adventure. Stay tuned. It's about 3:20, still on the 19th, and made it up here to the rest area just outside of the Texas Canyon area, and it's a little ways beyond Benson and before Wilcox. See where it all goes from here. So it's about 6 o'clock on the morning of the 20th, and I've made it to a rest area outside of Moriarty, New Mexico. And I got in there about 11 last night. And this morning at the rest area, I'm seeing these birds in this tree. And nearby, they've been flying around and kind of giving us an air show. Though they seem like they've calmed down a little now. They're just a couple of them there sitting up in the tree and doing what birds do. So a little tour of our rest area here. You can hear the birds in the tree. Here's my car. There's I-40, all the trucks. Now they're doing the flight thing, but they're doing their fantastic warble. We have a dog run here. And you gotta beware of the snakes. Let's go over by, it looks like a corral. The grackles are making quite a song there. It's just high desert here with scrub juniper, kind of flat. There's one of our buddies up there. A couple ravens, bunch of grackles, and giving us a nice air show. So I'm here at the TA truck stop in Santa Rosa Travel Center. Made a pit stop. Got a sandwich, got some coffee. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Been here about half an hour and need to keep heading east. at a rest stop about 10 miles maybe over the border into Texas. And it's, on my watch it says it's about 10 minutes after 10, but on my phone it says it's about 10 minutes after 12. Not sure what time zone this is. Pulled off here to just take a stop and check the map and keep going. I'm on Route 54 headed to Dalhart, Texas. Should be maybe about another 40 minutes to get to Dalhart. And so this drive continues. It's a little after 2 o'clock Central Time, and finally made it to Tacoma, Texas. About to cross over into Oklahoma. Made a pit stop at the Loves. Got some of that wonderful Godfather's pizza and some drinks and some more gas. And so we shall continue from here. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon of April 20th, and we are in Liberal, Kansas, making another pit stop and going to continue on into Kansas. So it's 7 o'clock in the morning Central Time. I'm at my boyfriend Cliff's sister's house in Argonia, Kansas. Spent the night and about to head on up to Missouri. So this is El Dorado, Kansas. And it's about 10:15 Central Time here, and I'm taking a stop over at the Chamber of Commerce to read the map and eat a little brunch. Came up Route 77 and just turned on to Route 54. Choosing to bypass the Interstate 35 Kansas Turnpike. There's smoke towards the direction of Wichita. There's a lot of wind waving the flags here. Don't know what's burning over there, but drove through the smoke coming up 77, and it smelled kind of like a wood fire. Anyway, I'm going to get going down Route 54. Off the side of the road here, Route 54 heading east. Headed up towards beyond, going to then take Route 169 north, making a well-needed pit stop here at this rest area, the historical monument, Greenwood County, and the Blue Stem Pasture region of Kansas. It's really quite pretty here. And I probably need to keep making time and get going. So I've pulled off the road here in northeast Kansas. I've been traveling up Route 169, and I've come up to Route 68 and pulled off heading east, and I just pulled off the road because there's about 8 miles and I'll be heading into Lewistown. I believe it's going to be here at the junction of 68 and 69, and then it's just another like 20 miles to Harrisonville. Right now it's about 10 minutes to 1 o'clock. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. Wonderful Harrisonville, Missouri. I arrived at my motel this afternoon. Got here, been settled in. Need to get rested up to begin my class in the morning. Here's my room. It's kind of nice. It's got a table for my laptop, got a refrigerator, a microwave, large king-size bed, all the comforts of home, and a pretty good rate here. So, need to rest up and then